How to add or remove speak screen to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Next, scroll down, and in here, you want to tap on Speak Screen. So tap on the Speak Screen menu item to add it to the menu or to remove it. So here, if I select it, and when I triple click on the side button to bring up the Accessibility Shortcuts menu, in here I can quickly choose the Speak Screen option to turn it on. And if I want to remove it from the menu item, I just have to deselect it, and that will be removed from the shortcut menu. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.